This is Robert. He owns a group of pharmacies and tries his best to look after his staff and patients. But when he worked in branch, he found he spent all of his time checking scripts, rather than with patients and managing his business. He also noted how much stock they all had, sometimes too much of something in one branch, with not enough in others, and often wondered how much it was all costing him. He needed to find a better way to manage his stock and free his time. He had heard of hub and spoke assembly, but wasn't sure how it would affect his group of pharmacies. Robert decided to give his friend Sarah, who also owns several pharmacies, a quick call. She uses Analyst Central Fill. She explained that it's a hub and spoke system from Positive Solutions, which allows her to centralise most of her stock and assembly to free up time for branch staff and pharmacists. She's even heard that Analyst branches have over 90 million packs centrally assembled each year. Robert now has Analyst Central Fill and uses one of his larger shops as the hub. He started with manual assembly for full packs, as this was a quick win. If the volumes look good, he knows he can add some automation in the hub to streamline even more. He's looking into centralising tray assembly too. These take up a lot of time and space in branch, so centralising them makes sense, and that even creates a case for a tray or pouch robot. It's all so easy to use. Scripts are dispensed as normal in Analyst, except that some lines are flagged for central assembly. There's no rekeying of the script at the hub, so it's nice and safe with scanning used to accurately assemble. The relationship with the patient and their clinical safety stays in the branch where it belongs. There's full reporting for cross-charging across the group, and that puts him in a great position to help other independent Analyst users when the law on hub assembly changes. Now Robert has more time to look after his patients and staff. Better still, he's saving money.